Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Novatel Wireless MiFi Hotspot up and running so you can have high-speed internet not the same as your Wi-Fi password. The default is usually admin. If that fails, you can check the device screen under Help and then MiFi Admin website. Once you are logged in, you can customize your experience by renaming your network or setting a stronger password. Just keep in mind that changing these settings will disconnect all your devices, and you will have to reconnect them with the new information. For a pro tip, try wired USB tethering. This allows for simultaneous charging and internet use, is more secure than Wi-Fi, and doesn't even require a Wi-Fi card in your computer. If you run into trouble with no internet, check your SIM status or PUK code, move the device toward a window if you're in a dead zone, or check if your data limit has been reached. You can also verify your APN settings. If you need a fresh start, a quick press of the reset button performs a soft reboot, while holding it for 5 to 10 seconds performs a hard reset, restoring the factory default SSID and password found on your sticker. As a bonus, you can use your MiFi battery to charge phones or headsets. It features a smart sensor that stops charging if the MiFi battery drops below 25%, saving your internet connection for when you need it most. To recap, install your hardware, power up, identify your keys, connect your devices, and manage your settings at 192.168.1.1. You are now ready to enjoy secure, high-speed internet wherever your travels take you. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.